Attention custom home builders and residential developers. Are slow approvals, conservative loan-to-cost limits, and rigid bank guidelines holding your projects back from moving forward? Have you been told you're overextended? Or that your project doesn't meet today's constantly changing lending requirements? The home building business is very competitive, and speed and timing are everything. Missing out on opportunities, home sites, materials, labor, or the buyer who wants to purchase a new home right now can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. It doesn't make sense to deal with a rigid, conservative local bank that doesn't truly understand your business, only to risk delays in bringing finished homes to market. You need a financial partner who moves at your pace, understands your process, and helps you close deals, not slow them down. While banks hesitate, opportunities disappear, forcing you to pass on profitable projects that you know make sense. Honestly, traditional bank financing has not adapted to the pace, flexibility, and execution demands of today's builders. Now, what if your construction financing actually fit the way you operate? Imagine a loan program from $250,000 to $10 million per project, built around your process, from planning and design to construction and sale of the home upon completion. A program designed to help you confidently design, build, and sell your own inventory, whether that's custom homes, spec homes, fix and flips, or small subdivisions and townhome developments. Then you should talk to Builders Commercial Capital Group, BCCG. As of April 1st, we have transitioned from a traditional mortgage brokerage business model to a direct lending and commercial mortgage banking business model, giving us full control over underwriting, structure, and funding decisions. That means no outrageous upfront fees, reliance on third-party lenders, no unpredictable guideline shifts, and no unnecessary approval delays. Instead, we evaluate your project based on real-world feasibility, your build plan, your market, and your exit strategy. Our loan program offers up to 100% loan-to-cost for qualified projects, helping you preserve your liquidity without having to bring large sums of cash to the closing table. In many cases, we structure loans with non-recourse provisions, no personal guarantees, and soft credit checks that won't impact your score. We're built for speed, with fast pre-approvals and the ability to close in as little as 10 to 15 business days once appraisal and permitting milestones are in place. Loan proceeds are designed to cover the full life cycle of your project, from lot acquisition and site work to vertical construction, finishing, staging, and marketing. We can also include interest reserves, so you're not burdened with out-of-pocket payments while your project is under construction and waiting to be sold. And we understand that getting started is often the hardest part. That's why we also provide access to flexible working capital solutions, from $10,000 up to $2 million, often closing in as little as 2 business days. These funds can be used for deposits, architectural plans, permitting, soft costs, and early-stage expenses that keep your projects moving forward. Our capital is backed by private investors, family offices, and institutional partners, allowing us to move quickly, think creatively, and structure deals that traditional lenders simply won't consider. Our mission is simple: help you take on more projects, increase your building capacity, and maximize returns, without unnecessary constraints or steep out-of-pocket cash contributions per project. As part of our upcoming pilot launch, we are selectively reviewing projects including custom homes, spec builds, fix and flips, infill developments, and small residential subdivisions. If you have a project ready, or even one in early planning, now is the time to position yourself for funding. Call 1-800-457-5010 or visit www.bccgloans.com/custom-homes for more information and to submit a request for a financing proposal for your next or upcoming project. There are no upfront fees required, and upon request, you can receive a preliminary, non-binding financing proposal uniquely tailored to meet the capital requirements of your project. Builders Commercial Capital Group, financing designed for builders who are ready to move faster, scale smarter, and build without limits. We look forward to working with you.